your legato falls apart the second you speed up. This is why. Most players do the same thing. They take a lick and just try to force it faster, and it sounds like this. If that sounded familiar, that's the problem. Everything tightens up, notes start clipping, lose control, but the problem isn't your speed, it's tension. Effortless has to be effortless. The moment you try to force speed, you've already lost it. So here's the fix. It's called burst training. 1 bar slow, 1 bar fast. That's it. The slow bar is where you build the feeling. Relaxed hand, light touch, total control. The burst is just a test. You're not trying to build speed. You're checking if relaxation survives when speed builds up. Do it right, and it sounds like this. On the burst, I close my eyes. That forces me out of playing and into feeling. I'm scanning for tension. The second something tightens, I know, and I go straight back to slow to fix it. The slow phrase isn't rest, it's the work. Start around 120 beats per minute. If you can't feel anything, slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one string. Think of it like a switch. Slow, burst, slow, burst. On the burst, eyes closed. Feel the difference. Tension or no tension. Fast is just what relaxed looks like at speed. That's it. 1 bar slow, 1 bar burst. Eyes closed. Fix tension and speed shows up on its own. If you want to go deeper with this, links in the description. I'll see you in the next one.